Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to share how to enable biometric on Phantom Wallet. Enabling biometric security on Phantom Wallet adds an extra layer of protection. Instead of entering a password every time, you can unlock your wallet quickly after using a Face ID on iPhone or Fingerprint. And first, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet on your phone. You can simply unlock it using your Face ID or your password as well. And after that, in the top left, there's a profile icon there. Tap on the profile icon, and under here you can simply tap on the setting beside it. Over here, what you can do is you can simply go to your security and privacy there. And in the top, we can find there's an option for the use Face ID authentication. Simply toggle it on, and that is it. Now your wallet will unlock using your Face ID instead of typing the password every time, and biometric is for the convenience, not a replacement for a recovery phrase. Anyone with an unlocked phone plus biometric access can open your wallet, and always keep your double word recovery phrase safe offline. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.